Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arch back. Both hands rise, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, head to knee, palms flat on the ground. Inhale, right leg back, right knee touch the ground, head up. Looking up. Retain both leg back, body straight. Exhale, drop the knees, chest keeping the hips up, head up, head down, forehead. Inhale, head up, arch back, cobra, feet together, toe pointing back, shoulder relaxed. Exhale, hips up, look on your toes, push the heels towards the ground, bring the head close to the mat without moving the hand. Inhale, right leg forward between your hand, left knee touch, toe pointing back, look up. Exhale, both legs together, palms flat on the ground. Inhale, arch back, exhale, hands down. 1, palms together, 2, arch back, 3, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back, left knee touch, head up. Retain both leg back, body straight. Look forward. Exhale, drop the knee, chest, forehead down, keeping the hips up, buttocks. Inhale, cobra, arch back. Exhale, mountain, hips up, look the toes. Inhale, left leg forward, between your hand, right knee touch, head up. Exhale, both legs together. Inhale, arch back. Exhale down. All together, Omkara. गजाननं भूत गणादि सेवितं कपित्त जम्बू फलसार भक्षितं उमासुतं शोक विनाश कारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पाद पंकजं सदाननं कुंकुम रक्तवर्णं महामति दिव्य मयूर वाहनं रुद्रस्य सूनुं सुरसैन्य नाथं गुहं सदाहं शरणं प्रपद्ये। या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदंड मंडितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृति निर्देवै सामां पातु सरस्वती भगवती विशेष जड्यापः। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरुवे सच्चिदानंद मूर्तये निष्प्रपंचाय शांताय श्री शिवानंद यते नमः। श्री विष्णुदेवानंद यते नमः। ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Sahana Vavadu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvi Navadhita Astuma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, both palms strongly. 2 cups, hold eyes. Hold that. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, and release. Open legs. Okay. I exercise. Back straight. Close your eyes. Hands chin mudra. Open your eyes. Look up. Down. 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 Close the eyes. Open the eyes. Right, left, 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 right, left. Close the eyes. Left down, right up, 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 left down. Close the eyes. Open the eyes. Left up, right down, 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 left up, right down. Close the eyes. Open the eyes, clockwise. Up 12, 3, 6, 9, up 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 3, 6, 9. Close the eyes. Inhale up, exhale down. 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 Straight. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Down, right up, back, exhale, left down. 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 Close. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Release. Down. Back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back, right knee on the ground. Head up. Hold both legs back, body straight. Exhale, draw up the knee, chest, forehead down. Inhale, head up, arch back. Exhale, hips up, look on your toes. Inhale, right leg forward, left knee touch, head up. Exhale together. Inhale, arch back. Exhale down. Inhale, right up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right up. Catch hold on the ankle. Both hands. Inhale, exhale, head up. Tight touch, forehead close to the knee. Grab your leg towards. Head. Inhale, head down. Bend right knee towards the chest. Inhale, exhale, head up. Tight touch, forehead close to the knee. Inhale, head down, stretch, release. Inhale, left leg up, catch hold on the angle. Inhale, exhale, head up. Tight touch, forehead close to the knee. Inhale, head down, bend the knee towards the chest. Inhale, exhale, head up. Tight touch, forehead close to the knee. Inhale down, stretch, release. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Catch hold on the angle. Inhale, exhale, head up. Inhale down, bend the knee towards the chest. Inhale, exhale, head up. Tight touch, forehead close to the knee. Inhale down, stretch, release. Stay there, straight. Breathe. Slowly exhale, right leg behind the head. Touch the toe on the ground behind. Inhale up, straight. Exhale, left leg down over the head behind. Inhale up. Exhale, both legs back over behind the head, Halasana. Low pose. Inhale up, straight, support. 45 degree over the face, both legs, palms on the ground. Gently roll down, relax.